Hey guys, Alina with iFoodReal.com here. Today we're making Instant Pot stuffed peppers. You can make them with any ground meat, any rice, and in a fraction of time that your mom or grandma used to make. Let's do it. And this is how I like to cut pepper tops for stuffed peppers. Specifically, take paring knife and cut as close to the tail as possible, and then take tablespoon and scoop out the seeds. This way you're left with as much pepper as feasible. So now we're going to make the stuffing, and I'm using ground turkey today, which is more lean meat. You can use any. That's why I will add a little bit of oil. Then use pre-cooked rice, and mine is sushi white rice today. That's why it's a little bit more sticky. Then very finely minced onion. And spices that are 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning like dried basil, dried thyme, and oregano. Then salt and pepper. And I like to add a pinch of red pepper flakes just for a little bit heat, but it's optional. And then mix everything together using your hands. Now all you have to do is stuff the peppers and divide mixture evenly between peppers. I have 8 medium to large size bell peppers here. And when you're stuffing, make sure to push with a tablespoon so the filling goes into the round parts. So now we are ready to cook stuffed peppers, and I would like to mention 2 things: that you can cut recipe in half if serving less, and stuffed peppers, I get this question all the time. They don't make a good freezer meal. Do not stuff and freeze them and then cook from frozen, because the pepper will actually almost disappear. So please trivet inside and pour 1 cup of broth, and this is 8-quart Instant Pot, so it's gonna fit quite a bit. Stack stuffed peppers in a single layer, as many as you can fit. Then spoon tomato sauce on top. And because this is 8-quart, I can stack more. If you're using 6-quart and want to cook 8-9 peppers, you can do so in 2 batches. So now put lid on, make sure the valve is to ceiling, and we're going to cook peppers for 10 minutes on high pressure. And select 10 minutes and make sure it says high pressure on Instant Pot Duo. This is Instant Pot Duo, so you will have pressure cook button. If it is Instant Pot Lux, it's going to be manual. And release pressure using quick release by turning vent from ceiling to venting right away. And this is how you do it, easy peasy. I like to serve my stuffed peppers with Greek yogurt or sour cream, and those juices from the bottom of the pot got with turkey baster. It's perfect for that. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.